Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see here, after the daily candle, today what happened? There is some buyers that came, but down, as you see down here, the volume, it's still very dry, guys. So there is no volume here, indicating that the market is going to reverse or going to fall down. Both of them, as you see, the two candles, the green one and that red one, both of them, the volume of them down is very low. And the one that what we call it, the quietness before the storm came. So now either is going to come a big going up or a big falling, guys. So you need to make a close eye at that one because the big investors, they are not yet entering. And me I show you that one yesterday. I told you here, you got a head and shoulder like that. Very clear here. I show you all those things. And another thing here. What did I told you here about the daily? I told you something very important, guys, here. I told you like that. If it doesn't come and break in here, also we are not going to enter. Long, me I'm talking. And for the short, if you want to enter short, it needs to come to break for us that level here. As you see, it is not a horizontal line, guys. It's a square. It's like that. How you draw it? The supply and demand zone. It needs to come down a candle to close below it, by the body, not by the tail or the wick or the shadow. It needs to close down here by the body, guys. So here in the daily and the weekly, actually today when the daily candle finishes, I'm going to come to update you guys what the weekly candle doing, what the daily candle doing. But now also we're analyzing for now, guys. I think everything is too clear here, guys. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Yes, I'm talking to you, you watching now. Are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day, guys, we put in 2 videos. Every day, 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be very well updated what the Bitcoin or crypto market doing, guys. It's very simple. A red button down, you click at it, you're going to become subscribed. Next to it a bell, turn it to all. So like that, you're going to, anytime when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified, my friend. Or you can even join our Telegram channel. The link of our Telegram channel is in the first comment. So like that, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube, guys. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, here in the daily, there is nothing special. Let me show you my chart. In my chart, as you see it, what I got that white one here, that one, as you see it, that the long-term trend also being followed from 2014, guys. And here in the top, the upper of that channel, as you see it, and here that one is just a level. And as you see here what the Bitcoin done, he came here, he touched the top of that channel here, then it fall down. And here, after that big candle came, it came to that candle here. And in that level here, it show us a big pin bar pushing down, or a red pin bar. That man here, it's a very stronger level, guys. And also we got it with yellow here. And another level also we got, guys, is it here at 17,207. Next level here at 15,985. And you're going down, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, here in the daily. Now let's go into see our indicators, what the same for pictures to be more clear to you. That one, guys, as you see it, it's still the same. The market came, it touched for us. The downtrend also we've been following for long. As you see it, every time he touch it, it fall down. And we got down one when we touch it, it go up. As you see it, the last time, that one, when he touch here, then he reversed till here, guys. As you see everything. Now, as I tell it to you, he's going to give us that 3, those ones like that. Then after that, maybe you're going to see a big drop. That man is going to give us 3 in the top, 2 in the down. The third one is here. So here in the daily, guys, we're still in a downtrend. And the bears will still controlling. There is no bulls yet in the market. When the bulls they will come, we will update you guys. But now also we're still in a bear market, guys. Everything is too clear. So if you are a long-term investor, it's not yet. And I tell it to you before, just collecting cash. In the weekly candle, I'm going to tell you why. Because we are very close, guys. We are very close. So collecting cash as maximum you can, because that's where people they become rich, guys. That's the time, not when the market it's running higher, guys. At the time, people they taking profit, and small players and those dumb people they losing their money at that time. Everything is too clear, guys. Here Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying for picture to be more clear to you. That one, guys, you remember we said it thousands of times. We got here a divergence, everything. But the price action, the only price action also we have is that one, guys. Hasn't even came to it. It need to come to it and to break it. And for the long term, it need to break for us the 200 moving average. And like that is going to give us here a W, guys, like that. But now here in the daily, there is nothing confirmed. As I tell it to you, it might from that level here. We're going to break and that indicator of us to stay here at the oversold. Because look here, where did he enter at the oversold? He entered from here, from 30 something, and where he go out till 17k, guys. So that's a big loss. So the same thing here maybe, because us here we are at 18, 19, between 18 and 19k range. So it might from here to fall down till 10k and that one stay here at the oversold area, guys. So here in the daily it's still very, very, very early for you. Everything is too clear. By the way, I know you are a subscriber. This smash the like button, my friend. Go ahead and do it, helping us, guys. Smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You know that channel with how Twitch can growing up, guys. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friend. And I appreciate all the help I get from you guys. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what is it there, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are, guys, in the 4 hours. In the 4 hours also we enter last time because of that channel here. When it's breaking here, we enter in that candle here. Stop loss of us, we put it down here. And as you see, the market it came up till here, then it fall down till here. And now, if you remember what me I told you here about that level here, what did I told you here? In the last video, guys, I told you look at all those candles, what they indicating to you guys. All of them, they got big tails from down. That man, the buyers, they don't want that level to be broken down. But when it came those green candles, all of them, they have big wicks from up. So even those ones, they don't want it to fall down. But the sellers, they want it to fall down more. So I think it's going to fall down to hit for us the stop loss, guys. But it's okay, that a part of trading, guys. And we will not lose a lot, as you see it. Also, we enter from here, and the stop loss of us is here. That the trading, guys, and also we're earning like that. A lot of trades we've been earning. That one, if it's hitting for us, the stop loss is better for us than the market to go down till 10k, and us we still holding from 19k, guys. I think everything is too clear here. So now here, my view, as you I tell it to you before, maybe we're going to stay sideways here till Monday, guys, till the weekly candle close, because now us, as you see it, guys, we're still here sideways. There is no power there. They came the red, they don't got power. The greens, they don't got power. So there is nothing confirmed here. And even down here, the volume, what it's telling you guys, it zoom it a little bit for the picture to be more clear to you guys. What the volume telling you here, as you see it, there is no volume, guys. So the market is very, very, very dry, and actually it needs to be from here. There is no volume, guys. So there is no buyers and no sellers in the market, and Saturday and Sunday always doing the same thing, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into our indicators, what the same for picture to be more clear to you. That one here, if you remember, when it's breaking here, also we said we enter long. When it's breaking here, we know it is going to reverse. Now look at it, he tried to come back up. There is no power to breaking up, again up. There is no power. Maybe now it's going to fall down or no, because as you see here, guys, look with me here, what you're seeing, got a very stronger level. So it's much from here again is going to reverse up. But till now, us we still here in the control of the bears, guys. So us in the daily, we are in the control of the bears. In the 4 hours, the bears will controlling the market. So I think it's going to fall down more. There is no buyers in the market, and there is no one want to buy because people they still scared. And I'll show you all those things in the fundamental. And tonight I'm going to show you all the fundamental analysis for the Bitcoin. So if you are not a subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. That one, as you see it, guys, when we used to be here at the oversold, also we enter long base on that price action we used to have here. The down channel is getting broke here, and now what it's showing here, it's showing like it's going to make a curve here in that zone. as you see it here. And me, I told you it's going to be the best scenario if it came like that and give us here a cup and handle. That one is a very, very bullish signal, guys. But till now, it's not confirmed. And our indicator, as you see it, guys, it came to the middle. It show here a rejection. So it might that one just a rest, and then after that, also we're going to go up to the overbought area, guys. That is going to be the best scenario. Or from here, it's going to fall down to the oversold. Then it's going to hit for us the stop loss. Then also we're going to search for another buy opportunity, guys. And tell that to you that trading, guys, they're always playing emotion in it. So don't close any trade manual, guys, unless if it's hitting the stop, and don't close it manual even if you are in profit, unless if it's hitting for you the target. That trading, guys, that's how you need to learn to trade. Don't never ever learn to close trades manual, guys. If you learn, it's going to stay with you as a habit and you will always close them manual, my friend. Everything is too clear, guys, here. And what we said here in the 4 hours, we say something else. We said we got here that triangle, that one, guys. Like that and like that, and we said either to break up or to come down and to break down. So guys, if it's breaking up here, it's going to go higher. First target is going to be here, second target is going to be here at 25k. So you need to make close eye at those things. I'm telling you, if it's breaking lower, guys, you're going to see it very low, maybe at 10k or something like that. Till now, nothing confirmed, guys. Also still sideways there. Nothing clear now. I think everything is too clear, guys, here in the 4 hours. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there. By the way, I know you don't smash the like button, my friend. Go now and smash it. Pause the video and smash the like button, helping us, guys. You know that channel with how it can growing up. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friend. Let's go now to 30 minutes to see what is it there, guys. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. In 30 minutes, the last video, what else we said? We said we got here a flag like that, and we said either to break up or to break down. He came up here, he couldn't break, and me, I told you it needs to break even the 200 moving average. If it doesn't break the 200 moving average, don't enter. And I told you if it's breaking down, either if it's breaking down or up, you bring that line, that one, and you measure it. No matter where it is, if it's down, you measure it here. So it's going to go till 18k if it's breaking down. If it's breaking the 200 moving average, it's going to go back where it fall down. Till here. So here in the 30 minutes, there is nothing confirmed, guys. And here, look at it. It tried to give you here a head and shoulder, guys. It's not that clear here, but it's near to give you a head and shoulder there, as you see it. It's not just another move up to give you a head and shoulder. So, but the only price action we got here clear is the flag, guys, like that. Look at it. It's very clear flag here. Did you see it? It just came like that and like that. That one is very, 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 very clear, guys. And that one is a better signal, guys, not a bullish. But if it's breaking here and breaking the 200 moving average, also when enter long, guys. Me, I'm talking here about 30 minutes. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying for the pictures to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, also we are here at the oversold. And every Sunday, guys, we started the market, we are at the oversold, and it give us like that. And in Monday, it will go up. Then in Tuesday, it will fall down. Believe me, that also being with that market for thousands of times. So I think in Monday is going to break up. It's going to break for us the 200 moving average, and it's going to go higher. And our indicator is still here at the oversold area, guys. So now you need to look in only for buy opportunities here in 30 minutes. I'm talking here about scalpers, not long-term investors. If you are a scalper, looking here only about buying opportunity, guys. I think everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you in the daily candle finish it. Bye for now, guys.